range. That's kind of where we started, down there. That's kind of where we started. Up here, we're going up this trail. Should be fun. Let's go. Picked the wrong shoes. Me. We're up here on the hill. They're all the way down there. It's pretty nice. It's a beautiful day out. It's nice to get out sometimes and do fun things like this. It's hot though. Short weather, new shorts, shirt. Let's walk. I'm gonna try something probably pretty stupid, but I'm gonna do it. We're gonna get over there. Made it over here, there, to here, this side of the island. Now I have to get back over there somehow to get with them, but today's been pretty good. Just excited. Nice to be outside finally when it's not like freezing cold anymore, but it's not super hot. But I'm happy to be. So let's somehow try to get back over there so I can meet up with the rest of the group.
No, I got all wet because you just wanted that shot.
We got the OJ glove here. I'm joking, it's not the OJ glove, but we got this glove. And then right up here, we have someone illegally built like a hunting thing right there. That's a terrible point. He built a hunting thing like right there. Like, you can't do that, you can't hunt here. But it's still kind of cool. Yeah? Put it on there. All pets must be leashed.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? This is Tyler. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please comment down below. Let me know anything you want me to see done in the future that I could do to make these videos better. Please subscribe to the channel to get access to first videos, first notification squad. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, all social media. I'll put that down in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. See ya.